This is the white rose, very white. Here in Jos, these are daisies. These are dahlias. See them? So pretty. Red roses. All here in Jos, Plateau State, Nigeria. I'm First Path Nantem, your online gardener from Nigeria. You really love what you see here. As of this time, we are working on pruning and weeding because we are deep into the rainy season. We are pruning some of these plants to make them look good. Yeah, this is the white. Very clean white. Let's take a look. Roses. So, if you want your cut flowers, you can just write it in the comment section. I will respond to you. So lovely. This part we have already weeded it off. So clean. You see? So roses. Very different species of roses available here in Jos. This